Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. My friend Mary and her family is coming over for dinner. I cooked this honey sesame chicken dish for their son Jake. And Mary told me that Jake had this at Panda Express and he really likes it. However, I have never cooked such a dish before, but I have enough idea of what it should be like, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to use my basic teriyaki chicken template with some modifications. So cooking this dish is quite easy for me because I already have chicken prep in advance. All I have to do is thaw it out from the freezer in 10 minutes and I'm ready to cook. Just in case you are curious, I'm using my 14-inch Cucina stainless steel wok. One of the key characteristics of this dish is that the chicken is actually deep fried. However, in my case, I'm going to fry the chicken using this shallow fry approach. I first cook the chicken with a thin layer of cornstarch. I'm going to lay out the chicken flat on the bottom of the wok and I let it to be fried on one side first. At the meantime, I'm going to add a little bit of carrot. This way I will get Jake to eat a little bit of vegetables. At the same time, it provides some color to the dish. Hopefully, if Jake likes the chicken, he might eat some carrot as well. Now, one side of the chicken is almost fried. I'm going to turn it around and to fry the chicken on the other side. As you can see here, the chicken are kind of stuck together because of the cornstarch. I noticed that I use a pair of tongs rather than my wok spatula. This gives me much better control. I definitely recommend you should get a pair of tongs, but if you do, make sure you get one with long handles. This way you will not be cooking your fingers as well. As you can see, this frying method actually does a pretty good job. The chickens are pretty nice brown and provide a very light breading. Okay, I'm going to season the chicken actually mainly with some onion flakes and together with some lemon pepper and some other seasonings which I take out from my masala daba, which it has 7 different seasonings for me to choose from. Okay, I think now the chicken is pretty much done. I'm going to use my wok spatula. As I stir fry, you notice that the seasoning adhere to the surface of the chicken and give it a slight charring. It actually makes the chicken look really attractive. I'm next going to add some finely sliced onion to the wok. You notice that I add the onion toward the end of the cooking process because I want the onion to maintain its crisp texture. It provides a very nice contrast to the chicken. This is quite common after I add the seasoning because some of them is going to stuck and burn to the bottom of the wok. I'm able to detach them by using a very small amount of water squirt directly over them. And then I use my wok spatula to scrape them off. And I call this method spot cleaning. This allows me to clean the wok as I cook. However, there's an added benefit because the things that come off the wok actually are flavorful and they add flavor to the dish. And this is why I make a stainless wok spatula so much easier and more efficient in cooking. And next, I'm going to add some honey to the dish. This honey is the courtesy of my friend Aaron. He raises honeybees. I really enjoy the honey that he has given me, and they has much better flavor than the commercial honey. Okay, now the dish is almost done. The final step is that I'm garnish it first with some scallions. And then I followed it by adding some sesame. I'm going to use both white sesame as well as black sesames to give it a nice color contrast. Of course, you can use whatever that is available to you. And now with a few quick mix, the dish is done. The total cook time is quite fast. It takes just a little bit over 6 minutes. Now here's the demonstration of template-based cooking. Because I cook this dish, use my basic stir-fry teriyaki chicken template, I cook almost every step exactly the same. The only difference is at the end how I season the dish. I added honey and sesame seeds instead of adding hoisin sauce and oyster sauce to create the teriyaki flavor. Well, the dish turned out to be a big hit, and in fact, Jake ate all of it. I didn't even have a chance to taste what it is like. So I guess I need to cook it for myself sometime in the future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe and share. See you next time.